Nancy from Dayton has a question about dimmable lighting.
It's for their 50s style ranch home.
Gotta love the 50s.
50s ranch style home or 50s.
That's fine. Still love the 50s.
Something like that. Anyway, Nancy writes, the roof slope is 22.5 degrees, and we're wanting to use these kinds of lights. But the problem is it's shallow. They don't have a lot of space in there.
Right.
They're a halo LED, a 5/6 inch recessed housing in a shallow, she says, J box instead of using a recessed can with the eyeball type insert. So this would be the most cost-effective option for us. She wants to know if that's okay. And we've removed the ceiling and have opened it up, and we want to put about 20 fixtures in. But what Nancy really wants to know, Tom, is what kind of dimmable fixtures can she put there? I mean,
it's all about the light bulb.
Oh, okay.
And it's about the rheostat, the dimmer itself. As long as they match up, you're fine. LEDs are the way to go. There's no doubt about it. There's no heat on them. The light quality is really good now. You never have to replace a bulb in a million years, guaranteed. Not really. And it's
in your lifetime, anyway.
Yeah, probably. And so I think what you're doing is fine. Just make sure whatever bulbs you do use can be dimmed. You know, there's a lot of bulbs on the market that can't. Compact fluorescents couldn't be put on dimmers. There's a lot of different ones.
LEDs, when they first came out, couldn't be dimmed.
That's right. They couldn't either. So that's all you have to do is make sure it's a dimmable light bulb or light. I guess you can't really say a light bulb with LEDs. They're not bulbs anymore. They're
lighting fixtures.
Yeah, the lighting itself. So just take a look at it, make sure it's dimmable, and make sure your rheostat matches it for a light.
They changed the light bulbs next door at the post office to our studios here. We have a post office next door. And they were up there on one of those scissor jacks all day changing 2 light bulbs. So if you're wondering how many federal employees does it take to change a light bulb, apparently it takes 3 or 4 of them and a whole day.
But at least they brought their lunch.
And they changed it to LED because I came out that night.
Really?
And
nice
man,
and bright?
it is like daylight out there.
Good.
It's awesome. I'm thinking I'm going to get rid of the security lights on that side of the building.
No. Guess what? Now those 2 guys have nothing to do.
No. I'm sure the government will find something.
Okay, good.
All right. And we'll always find an answer. If you send us your questions to HomeShowRadio.com, check out our videos over here, and, of course, subscribe to our channel. That'll just warm our hearts.